In today's video, I'm going to show you the easiest way on how you can use the medic in toilet tower defense. So if you didn't know what the medic cameraman is, it's a support unit that can heal other towers, and it is a ranged unit that attacks enemies with a beam of healing energy. The medic cameraman can also heal itself, making it a very durable unit. So here are the steps on how you can actually use the medic cameraman in toilet tower defense. So you want to place it on the battlefield. It can be placed anywhere on the battlefield, but it is best to place it near other towers that need healing. The medic cameraman will automatically start healing all these nearby towers, and then you can actually upgrade the medic cameraman as well to increase its healing power and its range. But you want to be careful not to place the medic cameraman in a position where it can be easily attacked by enemies. Here are my top tips on how you can use the medic cameraman effectively. You want to place the medic cameraman near other towers that need healing. You want to keep upgrading the medic cameraman because it's going to increase its healing power and its range. You want to be careful not to place the medic cameraman in a position where it can be easily attacked by enemies. And you want to use the medic cameraman to heal your towers during really tough waves. So the medic cameraman is a really useful unit, and it can really help you to survive tough waves. By following these tips, you can use the medic cameraman to its full potential. Now here are some things to know about the medic cameraman, just in case you weren't aware. The medic cameraman is a support unit, so that means it doesn't actually deal any damage to enemies. It does have a long range, so you can use it to heal towers that are far away. But it is a slow unit, so it is actually really vulnerable to attacks from fast enemies. And finally, it's an all-round really valuable unit that's going to help you to survive super tough waves. So just to recap, the medic cameraman is really good and a good unit to have in toilet tower defense, because you can use it to heal nearby towers, and it can be really beneficial to getting you through those tough rounds. So that is exactly how you can use a medic cameraman in toilet tower defense. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out. And like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.